Hi everyone, Andrew Bowman with Bowman's Pro Turf, and before we jump into this week's video, I wanted to take a few moments and discuss the ongoing situation that we're all thinking about and we're all concerned about with the coronavirus outbreak. So as of right now, here in the state of Indiana, Governor Holcomb issued a stay-at-home kind of declaration today where non-essential businesses need to be doing business at home as much as possible, and then he has a list of essential businesses that are allowed to go out and continue to operate. So as of right now, it's still kind of up in the air on the lawn care services and our customers and what that means looking for the next 2 weeks of services. The Indiana Professional Lawn and Landscape Association, along with the Midwest Regional Turf Foundation and the Green Industry Alliance, are working closely with the governor's office to ensure that lawn care companies can continue to operate over the next several weeks. On our website, I have listed some of the letters that have been sent out to local officials. Personally here, we have been in contact with all of the county officials for the 6 counties that we service. Now I know that I put that in the mail this morning, and then the governor issued the executive order after we'd already dropped it off in the mail. But I still wanted to get some information into the hands of our local elected officials, just so they're aware of the impact that the decision will have on lawn care companies across the Wabash Valley. We feel that because we work alone on our customers' property and we have very little face-to-face interaction, we already wear tons of personal protective equipment, and we fully sanitize all of our equipment, vehicles, and tablets and whatnot, that we are operating very cautiously with safety in mind, but also we feel that we should be able to continue to operate and try and provide as much normalcy for our customers as possible. Now, we fully understand that this is a very serious situation, and we're taking it absolutely serious here within our organization. We know other lawn care companies are as well. So, for us, the whole shelter in place, work from home is kind of difficult, and it's very scary as an industry to kind of take a step back and see how fragile life really can be. So we're hoping that through the work of our professional association and the Green Industry Alliance and others, that we can get the ear of the governor and be allowed to continue to operate. We know that this situation is affecting many people in the Wabash Valley and across the country, and so we understand the sensitivity and the nature of this, but we're hoping to be able to continue to work over the coming weeks while maintaining very clean and safe working environments and being able to provide our services to our customers. We've had amazing feedback from many of our customers who are really excited to see us out on the lawns, and they're kind of rooting for us as well. And we hope to be able to continue to provide our service, like I said. So this video, I wanted to do something outside, but just kind of how we've been watching everything so closely. I haven't had a whole lot of time to really film anything new. So back in October, there is the event called the GIE, the Green Industry Expo, and it's the largest outdoor expo, indoor expo for the lawn care industry in the nation. And so I took a couple of our team members down to Louisville, Kentucky, to their Louisville, the Kentucky State Fairgrounds for the GIE Expo, and we had a wonderful time. So I'm just going to show some clips from that, and I have no idea really what I filmed because it was a couple of months ago, and you can see how that went and why that event is important in the lawn care industry. So hopefully you can enjoy a little bit of the GIE Expo and see some behind the scenes of some of the cool activities we get to do in the lawn care industry, and we'll see you on the next video. We are here down in Louisville, Kentucky at the GIE Green Industry Expo convention. And it is the largest green industry convention in the nation. So, I say I brought Jason, Cody, and JD with me. I have no idea where they are. It's loud out here. There are 20 acres of demonstrations, and so we're just going to take you along today. So I hope you enjoyed that video, a little bit of the behind the scenes of the GIE Expo, and I hope it tides you over for next week's video. It looks like the weather is going to be a little iffy here over the coming days. We have some chance of rain a couple of the days, but next week it looks like temperatures are going to be up in the mid 50s and even into the 60s, so we're really going to start seeing the grass start to grow. We might be able to get out into the lawn and get our first mowing of the year done. I know Jason has already mowed his lawn at least once this year, and it really is starting to pop. So we've got a lot of cool things planned for this season. We're not going to try and let the coronavirus keep us too down. Even if it does kind of slow down our production, we still want to provide good content for everybody. So make sure you like, subscribe, share, comment, shoot us any questions of anything that you might have lawn care related, and we will see you next time.